Kitty Corn here, and today I have stuff. These are some things I got for Christmas, so I'm going to count this as my Christmas video, since I didn't really do a Christmas video this year because I've been really busy. Y'all should know by now, Christmas is a very hectic time for all parties involved. We'll save this big boy as last thing, and we'll do one of these first. I'm a weeb, so we're gonna go with the My Hero Academia one first. I'm just gonna open these, see what they get. Honestly, as long as I don't get Mineta, I'll be happy. I'd be really happy if I got like Bakugo, or maybe Mina. She's cool. Scissors, tiny scissors. I also got some cool LEDs. So that's dope. I'm not gonna meddle with that. I see yellow. Ojiro. Honestly, I'm not complaining, because it's not Mineta. So we got a little Ojiro. I have to figure out what I can attach you to, little guy. Grab what you can for the desk. Oh, there's some. Next up, LOL. Let's hope the zipper works properly. Dang. Looks like 8 total surprises. What the heck? Okay. Apparently the hair is gonna have something in it. Interesting, don't you dare roll away. All of this is unedited. Guess we're opening it this way. This wants to be difficult. There, we got it off, it's fine. Stuff. Collector's guide. Okay. Start with the items first and get to you in a minute. The items first. Got a little pink cup, squish squish. I'm gonna say this is probably shoes. I was right. You got cute little pink and white bootsies. Sparkly ponytail. That's brown. Cute little pink bow. And a pink dress. Very pink. And now, the reveal of Indeed All. Oh. Hello, you are very naked. A tiny LOL on you. Does it actually open is the question, though. Do these actually open? According to the picture, it should open. So... Does it open though? It doesn't look like it opens. Am I stupid? Let's check the... Okay, so the instructions say it should open. So I'm not stupid, hopefully. I might only be a little stupid. Way more difficult to get off than it needs to be. There we go. Oh, it opened. I have some, there's things in here. Ah, I'm gonna be finding sparkles in places for weeks. Lovely. Little perfume bottle, I think. And then number 2 is another perfume. Cool. And now you can click this back together, like, and we can either have her have that as her hair, which looks very goofy. Ooh. Or we can give her the less goofy look. A tiny ponytail on top. Let's get you dressed, hon. Let's get you dressed. Get in. Dress. Shoes. Hair thing. Bow. There we go. Check the collector's guide. We got Fancy. Cool. That was a fun experience. We're just gonna put all you and your stuff in here. Okay. Moving right along to Big Boy. Meows. Technically 2 are shown, but there is also a mystery one in the middle. There's tape! My mortal enemy. Tape is my mortal enemy, but not where I have small scissors. So we're just gonna cut that. So one side, we have a little mermaid kitty who appears to be stuck. She's stuck no longer. We got a little mermaid kitty. Look at her and all her little mermaid cuteness. Squish, squish. Set you to the side. Then on the other side, we have the other with more tape. Oh, forget the tape. Maybe I can just snip the tape on this one? Okay. This one's a cute little butterfly kitty. Look Look at this. She got a little flower crown and all cuteness. And now we take out the middle one. Let's see what the mystery one is. Is there a collector's guide in this? Maybe the collector's guide is in here. Oh, they're seeing it before I am. It's a little dragon, kitty. That's adorable. Look at the little wings. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. The little horns. Very cute, very cute. Three kitties in one present. Well, that's gonna do it for this video, which is just supposed to be my Christmas video. Technically, Christmas was yesterday by the time y'all are seeing this, but regardless, Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year's. Bye. Bye.